Good morning, everybody. How are you? Happy Sunday. So glad to see everybody here. So glad to see that everybody's so excited about data science. And I'm so grateful that we get to spend this time together. So I really hope that you're doing well. Hope your families are doing well. It's really a blessing for for all of us to be able to get together and talk about data science and develop ourselves, develop our skills, all that good stuff. So, hope you're doing well. I'm doing really good. I've had a very mellow morning. Um, I've been up early. I was up early cooking today. It's starting to get that time of the year where I can make some soup on the weekends. So I started making my cabbage soup this morning. So I was up at 5 a.m. today. I was chopping my cabbage and chopping sausage, and my dog got a little bit of sausage. When he hears me opening that sausage packet, he knows to stay close so that he can also get some food. But just doing really well today, and I hope the same for you. And it's Sunday, so Sunday means we get to continue our tutorial series where we are going to go ahead and keep on looking at how to create a project from beginning to end, right? So this has been a really good series. I think we had a great kickoff last week, really positive reply to last week. So now we're going to just continue moving forward, right? So if you're joining us for the first time, excuse me, welcome. I think that you're still early enough in the series where you'll be able to understand everything. I am going to do some review. Excuse me, sorry. I am going to do some review from last week so that we can, kind of get caught up with each other and make sure everybody remembers everything we did last week and then just kind of go from there, right? So it looks like everybody is coming into the chat. If you're new, feel free to come in and just say hello. We usually ask people to let us know where they're from, but we don't really do that on Sundays. I don't really take questions on Sundays either. But if you just want to say hello in the chat, you're welcome to introduce yourself. No one's gonna call on you. We don't do that. We keep the chat professional. So it's just up to you if you want to introduce yourself. And the reason I invite people to do that today also is because I was actually having a very brief chat with my mod team this morning. I kind of keep track of my subscriber numbers, my analytics, because I'm a data scientist, right? I keep track of all different types of analytics. And this weekend has seemed to be a very busy weekend for some reason. And there's been 5,000 new followers on YouTube since like Thursday to Saturday. It's been 5,000 new users, which is a lot. That's a lot for me. That's way above average for me on YouTube. So it's possible that some of you are, it's likely that we have new people in the chat. So welcome. If it's your first time, you're picking a great session because Sundays is when we tend to do a little bit of a longer session. So glad to see that you're here. Okay. So let me start acknowledging the chat because I'm seeing so many of you that are regular supporters, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate your support. So Lakshmi, good morning. How are you? Lakshmi you're probably our most consistent Sunday supporter, which makes us wonder what you do the rest of the week. Well, thank you so much for being here, Lakshmi. Hope that you're doing well. Hope that you and your family are good and safe. Garve, another Sunday supporter. Hello, Dennis. It's good to see you. Good to see you too. Hope you're doing well out there, Garve. Leo says, "Good morning, everyone." My good friend Leo, such a loyal moderator. Thanks so much, Leo. Guys, give Leo a shout out when you see him because he's really a helpful moderator, and they volunteer for me, right? So I really appreciate their help. So make sure you give Leo a shout out whenever you see him, and give him a follow on his YouTube or his Instagram, please. Coding Mood. Cody Mood, I think this might be your first time. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, too. Hope you're doing well. Denelson, our new friend from Los Angeles, says, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Denelson. Good to see you. I get so encouraged when I see people coming back. You know, it means I might be on the right track. So thanks so much, Dendelson. Yassine, our good friend Yassine says, Yassine from Tangier, Morocco. Hope you're doing well out there, Yassine. You know, Yassine, I thought about you this morning, and I thought about all of Morocco because when I make this soup, you know, it's like a cabbage soup, and I got like two different types of sausages in there, but I wasn't able to find the hot sausage that you like, because I like spicy foods. And I was thinking, oh, maybe I should use some of that Moroccan pepper I have. But then I thought, no, because then I'll start running out. I'm telling you, when I run out of this Moroccan pepper that I have, I'm going to be so mad, so disappointed. But I was thinking about that. You know, I'm starting to ration my Moroccan pepper because I can't use it in my soups anymore. I have to save it for like chicken or something. I don't know. I don't know, but we'll see how much longer that lasts me. Leo says, nice shirt today, Dennis. Yeah, you know, let's have a collar check, guys, because the last two collars have been awful, but I think this one's a little better, right? It's tracksuit season, so this is not one of my Adidas ones. This is an Under Armour one. I think this collar is much better, right, guys? That looks pretty good on stream, right?